Do you have a website for your local business with multiple locations? You probably want to get the best out of your website and provide all the crucial business information to your customers. But if you have more than one location, filling in all the details can be time-consuming. Luckily, there's a shortcut. The Local SEO plugin comes with a feature that lets you add shared business information. This is information that applies to multiple locations of the same company. For example, let's say you have a bakery chain with 15 locations, and you have a page on your website for each of them. They may each have different addresses, but they share the same organization type, in this case, bakery, the email address, a central phone number, and the same opening hours. It's now quick and easy to set this shared business information for all your business locations in the Local SEO plugin. The plugin will use the information to output the correct schema, increasing your chances of getting rich results. Let's see how this feature works. Once you are in your WordPress backend, go to SEO and then Local SEO. You'll immediately see the Business Info tab, which is what you need. The first thing to do here is to make sure the toggle below My business has multiple locations is switched to Yes. Then also check if the toggle below All locations are part of the same business is switched to Yes. If you want, you can select a primary location by clicking on the menu next to the primary location setting. The primary location is your head office, so if you have one, select it here. There is one more toggle to switch, so make sure Locations Inherit Shared Business Info is set to Yes as well. And now you can add your business details. For example, you can select the business type, add the phone number, email, URL, etc. Let's add some information. And then, of course, click Save. Another shared property you can add is the opening hours. They are not listed here in the Business tab. Instead, we have a separate tab for them. So click the Opening Hours tab, and then again, switch the Locations Inherit Shared Opening Hours toggle to Yes. After that, you can add the opening hours for your business. And don't forget to click Save, otherwise you'll lose the changes. Now, some of your locations may have a different phone number or different opening hours. In that case, you can manually overwrite the shared properties for those locations in the Locations post type. How does that work? Go to the Locations tab in the admin menu on the left-hand side. Then, click the location for which you want to overwrite the shared properties. Here, scroll down to the Local SEO plugin meta box. You'll see the Business Info tab, and you'll first need to check the Overwrite box. Then add the info that is specific to this location. It works the same way for the opening hours. Click on the Opening Hours tab in the meta box. Here you can overwrite each setting separately. For example, if this location is closed on Tuesday, you can overwrite only that part of the setting and leave the rest, like this. And that's it. The Shared Business Info setting in the Local SEO plugin is a great way to save time while providing valuable information to your customers.